In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillow to find deals in Zillow. 2026 Full Guide. We'll walk through the exact settings and map tools that turn a huge list into the right shortlist so you can spot the best value rentals quickly and confidently. Open your browser and go to Zillow.com. In the main search bar, type the city, neighborhood, or zip code you want and press enter. Zillow loads a split screen, an interactive map alongside a list of properties. This dual view is helpful. Hovering a listing highlights its pin, so you can tie each option to the exact block and nearby landmarks. If the page feels busy at first, don't worry. The next steps will streamline everything. Before you do anything else, switch to rentals. Click the tab labeled Rent, For Rent, or Rentals, so you're only seeing apartments and condos available to lease. If you spot homes for sale creeping in, it usually means the tab switched back. Toggle it again to keep the dataset clean and relevant. Keeping this locked to rentals saves time and keeps your comparisons apples to apples. Now refine the results to match your lifestyle and budget. Set a monthly price range with a realistic minimum and maximum. Leaving a little headroom often reveals hidden deals with move-in specials. Choose the number of bedrooms and bathrooms that fits your needs, from studios to larger layouts. Use the move-in date filter to surface places that line up with your timeline, which prevents wasted time on units not yet available. If you have pets, enable cats, dogs, or both so deposits and policies are clear up front. Then scan amenities to lock in must-haves like in-unit laundry, air conditioning, parking, or a dishwasher. Small tweaks here can dramatically cut scrolling and highlight strong value. With your filters set, work the map. Click and drag to pan through nearby neighborhoods and use plus or minus to zoom in for street-level precision or out for a broader view. Whenever you move the map, hit search this area to refresh results for that exact location. Otherwise, you might be looking at stale listings from the previous view. For pinpoint targeting, use the draw tool to outline a custom boundary. Trace along a transit line you rely on or circle the area